Wondering how to assemble it before your first use? Let's check it out. First, place the juicing assembly onto the motor base, making sure it sits properly. Next, insert the spiral auger firmly into the center of the juicing assembly, ensuring it fits properly. Place the feeding chute, with its lid open, on top of the juicing assembly. Move the feeding chute in the direction indicated from unlock to lock. Ensure the chute handle is properly seated and securely engaged in the locking slot. Now, close the lid to lock the feeding chute firmly with the base. Place your juice cup and pulp cup directly under their respective outlets. How do you start the juicer? Add your ingredients into the feeding chute and close the lid. Plug the power cord into the socket and switch the power on to start the juicer. Use the provided pusher if needed to gently guide ingredients if anything gets stuck. How do you stop the juicer? Just switch it off and unplug the juicer completely. When should you use the reverse function? If you notice the pulp is not coming out smoothly, simply press and hold the switch in the rev position for a few seconds. Then, release it and switch back to on. How should you prepare ingredients before juicing? Always wash all ingredients thoroughly. If ingredients are very large, chop them into 1 to 2 pieces. Be sure to remove hard seeds, pits, thick peels and shells. Can you use your hands or other tools to push ingredients? No. Always use the provided pusher. What is the maximum continuous running time? Operate the juicer for up to 30 minutes continuously. Then, allow it to cool down for at least 30 minutes. What is the purpose of the small opening in the feeding chute lid? The small opening lets you drop in ingredients while juicing without opening the main lid. How do you disassemble the juicer after use? First, switch the control button to off and unplug the power cord. Remove the juice cup and pulp cup from the outlets. Remove the pusher and open the feeding chute lid to release the built-in safety lock. Rotate the feeding chute counterclockwise towards the unlock sign. Lift the feeding chute straight off. Pull the spiral auger straight up. Finally, lift the juicing assembly straight up from the motor base. DYLECT, built for you.